So we're going to cook something good, but before we get started, I told you all that I was going to be showing y'all some of the merch that my husband and our son has done. They started a printing business, a t-shirt printing business. It's just now coming up off the ground. This is one of those t-shirts that I want to share with you. I want to show you the back because you're going to love it. Looks like super interesting. I know they put Chucky on there, but he's actually wearing our merch if you look closely. How stinking cute is that? The t-shirts are going to be great quality. They're not going to shrink. They're not going to fade on you, and I'm going to let you all know when you can purchase merch from us and when you can request different things. So every day or every other day I'll be wearing something new for you. Lunchtime here at the Young's house, and today Gina Young is going to show you all how I like to make loaded french fries. How many of you love loaded french fries? We love them so much. Super simple to make, right? No matter who you feed it to, they're going to absolutely love it, and you can put on your favorite toppings. Whatever your mind can imagine, you can put onto french fries. So now when it comes to french fries, my favorite is always going to be the crinkle cut. So I have some here. In my pan, I got just a little bit of vegetable oil because I'm frying them. And of course, you can bake them or put them in the air fryer. I got some cheese sauce. I'm not putting shredded cheese on here because it turns into like gum, right? I want a saucy cheese sauce, and that's what we have here. This is amazing if you've never tried it. All right, and then I have a really interesting ingredient. I got some barbecued pulled pork. You may be able to find this at your local market, and if you can't, maybe you can find the barbecued pulled beef. Absolutely, and both of them is delicious. The meat is nice and tender. It's perfectly seasoned, okay? And so now I have some sour cream because you cannot have loaded fries without sour cream, right? And a garnish, but not only a garnish, it makes the recipe taste good. Make sure your hands are clean. Let's make delicious french fries, Gina Young style, and we're gonna load them. Go ahead right away and get started on your favorite french fries. Get them into the oil or in your oven or into the air fryer so we can get them nice, beautiful, golden brown and crispy. All right, there we go. I'm making a nice big batch today. Oh, yes, I can't wait. Go ahead and take this time while our french fries cook and cut up some beautiful green onions. Do you all call these spring onions or green onions? I mean, you could call them whichever. I just want to know, what do you call them? I call them green onions, but I know every once in a while I'll slip up and call them spring onions, right? And then my brain kind of goes, wait a minute, that's not what you call them. And we're going to do, I didn't tell you about this ingredient, but I'm putting some fresh tomatoes on here. I have a beautiful Roma tomato that I want to use up, so we're going to go ahead and dice it up, and I'm going to set it over here where these green onions are, just like this. A nice fresh tomato always goes lovely with loaded tomatoes. Loaded french fries. Go ahead and get these fresh tomatoes put onto a plate, and then I want to talk about my barbecued pulled pork. Like I said, you may be able to find these at your local market, but if not, honestly, you could turn around and take a piece of chicken, or maybe you had some pork chop or something, you know, get it nice and warmed up, or cook it, put some barbecue sauce on it and shred it. You may have to do that if you cannot find this, but look how convenient. It comes in a tub. It comes in a tub. You can take those little Frito things and dip this in this right here. This is good stuff if you've never seen it or ever heard of it before. Yes, it's real meat. I know, because you got to worry about that nowadays, right? When I tell you this is good, it's homemade. You hear me? Look at that. Let's heat it up. Get it nice and hot. Let's turn around and take this. Get it nice and hot. You can heat it up in this, or you can put it into another container to heat it up in the microwave. To me, while my husband and our son is in the process of building the brand and experimenting with new designs, you guys, if you wanted to, you could like tell me your favorite team or what you would like to see on a t-shirt, so you could see if that would be something that you could or you would want to request once you see the quality. But let me know like what's your favorite team, and I'll have them make a design for you. And the next time I come on the video, you can see it and you can say, oh yeah, I would want one of those. You know what I mean? So let me show you another design that they just ran downstairs and showed me. Y'all know that I was born and raised in the state of Ohio, right? So they had to make this. How stinking cute is this, y'all? Are you kidding me? And we love the Buckeyes, right? Look it, took it, such great quality. Yeah, but let us hear from you. Maybe we'll choose something, you know, your design that you say, hey, can you make this? Right? And then I'll come back on the screen and show y'all if we were able to make it for you, or if you were the one we chose your design. One thing, these fries are smelling absolutely amazing. Are you kidding me? Do you like your fries like light like this? Or you like me, where you like them really deep color, golden brown? Right? That's what I'm looking for, because they get crispy on the outside, the inside will be puffy and fluffy and just gorgeous. Ooh, look at that. I'll tell you what this looks like after you heat it up. Oh my goodness. I done ate like 3 spoonfuls. I can't stop. All of these same ingredients that I'm using today. You can use these to load up your macaroni and cheese. Are you kidding me? Put the macaroni on the plate and load it with these. Yes! A baked potato. Load it with these. Absolutely. We got some French fries. We're going to make our way back behind us to the larger stove. Let's get those French fries out and make lunch. Take these fries out. Yep, that's exactly what I'm looking for. It's lunchtime here at the Young's house, and my family is all excited. Tell me this. Is your stomach rumbling? Is your mouth watering? Are you that person that's excited to make this recipe? See, here's what I love. I love when you guys comment and say, oh, Gina, I'm making it tonight. I'm running out to the store to get the recipe, right? I love to hear that from you guys. But then here's the thing. You tell me you're making it. Also message me back and let me know how much you love the recipe. For sure you have to, because I want to go ahead and get our fries onto the plate. Look, I put it onto a cookie sheet in a cooling rack. That way we can drain the oil. You want to digest that extra oil, right? So now let me tell you something. That cheese sauce that we have, heat it up. You don't have to heat the cheese sauce up, but heat it up to make the recipe much better. Now normally, when my fries are done, I salt and pepper them. But today I'm not going to do it. The only reason why I'm not going to do it today is because we're putting so much flavor on top of here. And you know that meat has some good flavor. So you don't have to salt and pepper your French fries today. Look at this. My family goes wild over this. Movie night, any night, date night, lunch, dinner. I'm so serious. You can and you can. All right, if you have any of this left over, make a good sandwich with it. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. See what I'm trying to do? I don't want to just cover the French fries and you can't see them. I'm trying to make little spots where you can see the fries too, because I like to make everything nice and gorgeous, right? So now I did heat the cheese sauce up, so it'll be much more easier and nice and pourable is what the word I'm really looking for. I know. Come on, somebody just went wild over this. Yes. And that when you use a cheese sauce instead of shredded cheese, what happens is that cheese seeps down to those French fries that's at the bottom. Are you kidding me? You ain't got to look. You ain't got to search for the cheese because it's there, baby. Watch this. Gina, I know. I know. I know you want this. I know you want this. Come on over. Come on over. Get you some. Yes, and yes, if you like black olives or jalapenos, you could do that. I think that my husband's going to put jalapenos on his. He will. All right, so now I'm going to go in with my sour cream. I don't have a spoon right near me, so what I'll do, wipe that fork off that I use for my meat. I'm just going to put it like this because normally what they do with the sour cream is just put it on their plate. Make you some. Enjoy the recipe. Y'all, are you kidding me? Look at this. Lunchtime at the Young's house. I know. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, on today, we thank you for this meal, your hedge of protection and your love. Amen. Ready to taste. You're ready to taste. I'm going to give you the first bite. Come in close. Come in close. You are invited. You're invited. Sure you are. Look at this. Are you kidding me? I'm going to take that one off. I don't want to take a huge bite. I'm going in, y'all. Let me tell you something. See, listen, the sweetness from the barbecue, the savoriness from the cheese sauce, the green onions, and the crunch of the French fry. Y'all, this is everything your taste buds is looking for. Enjoy the recipe. I just ended the video and then I realized, ain't none of y'all tell me. Ain't none of y'all tell me. Listen, I just realized I only had one eyelash on. Tell me if you can see it in the video. I'm going to put it on right now, so I'm going to be okay the rest of the day. But I wasn't okay in that video, and I'm keeping it. We ain't editing it. We're not getting rid of that video. You hear me? We're going to be one eyelashless is what we really need to call the title. Dang, go on it.